There's another desecration here in Chimbel that has taken place now, and we came at the site. At the site, we were surprised to see that the police have put the evidence together by interfering with the evidence, because they दाखवता ते प्रमाणे फोटो काढलेले आहा पळय ते पुरीस इतले पयस पासून पावला, ताजे दुसरे कुडकी हांगासर पडलेले आहा, थंयसर आनी एक पडलेलो आहा, आनी गोरवांनी ताजेर हे मारून पडला अशें म्हूण समजता तेका. But they interfered with the existing crime site without waiting for the forensic to come and pick up the evidence that exists at the site. This is totally unthought and uncalled for. This is not a irresponsible way that the police should be conducting themselves. They had to leave the crime site as it is, call the forensic department, take the evidence existing at the site, and then think about what would be the possible impacts of this. I discussed this with the PI of Old Goa, and he's saying that we put it together just to understand the impact. But that has to be as a process done later on, not before the forensic picks up the evidence existing at the crime site. So this is something which is uncalled for and not the way that police should behave. Investigate thoroughly. Don't just stop by saying that one person has been arrested and that's the end of the story.
एसपीन पुलीस ऑफिसराक घेवन सुवातेचे इन्स्पेक्शन केले, मात मडकय आनी आता चिंबलाचो प्रकार कितें तो अजून पुलिसांच्या लक्षात आयिल्लो ना.
Can be said with certainty, but there is no impact mark on. So we are investigating whether it is actually a desecration or whether it has been done by an animal, because this pathway is frequented by buffaloes and cows also. And at a go, it has been informed around 20 to 25 buffaloes and cows. They move from this pathway and go into the paddy field. So we have asked the scientific experts to come, and only after an examination by them that we can take a final call and ascertain as to what was the reason. And prima facie, as of now, it doesn't look like a desecration, but we are not closing it at that. We are keeping the options of investigation open. Only after scientific analysis, only after intelligence collection or proper investigation that we can ascertain what actually happened in this case.
प्रुडंटा खातीर तुकाराम मराठे.